Welcome back to the channel, the place where car problems meet easy solutions. Your electronic parking brake, EPB, won't release or keeps showing errors. Don't worry. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to reset or release it using simple, step-by-step methods. No expensive tools or dealership visits required. Let's get started. Whatever you check mark method 1. Soft reset, no tools required. This works on many cars like Ford, Audi, and Toyota. 1. Turn ignition on, engine off. 2. Press and hold the EPB switch down. 3. At the same time, press and hold the foot brake. 4. Hold both for about 10 seconds, then release. 5. Try operating the brake normally again. Method 2. Battery reset for electrical glitches. 1. Turn off ignition and disconnect the battery's negative terminal. 2. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. This helps reset all onboard computers. 3. Reconnect the battery and turn ignition on. 4. Check if the EPB system works again. Common EPB problems. So what can go wrong? Here are the usual symptoms. Police car light warning lights on your dashboard. Stop sign parking brake won't release. Lock car won't move even in drive. Headphone clicking or grinding sounds when pressing the brake switch. And that's how you reset or release your electronic parking brake the right way. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss more car repair tips and tricks.